Hello guys, welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. Okay, now in previous session we discussed about subject, verb, object and its rules, right, and how to make a sentence without using tenses, right. Lot of examples also I gave, and sentences also, positive sentence, negative sentence, in interrogative and negative interrogative sentence also, right, with different examples and very interesting subject, right. Now here articles. Every topic is important in grammar part, right? Because we have to use in parts of speech. Now let me explain you one. In parts of speech, prepositions on, in, at, by, to, while speaking, very important. Articles a and the, these are also very important topic. Subject, verb, object. Every time we cannot use tenses, right? Sometimes means in general sentences. So generally we use normal sentence. In that also subject, verb, object rule is very important. It makes sense, right? These are a lot of things. Grammar part is very interesting. If you focus very easily, you can easily understand if you focus, right? Now here articles. Article means, article is a word which is using before the nouns. Article means, article is a word which is using before nouns, either singular or plural, right? Depends on that. Now here articles are two types. Article ante ఒక వర్డ్ విచ్ ఈజ్ యూజింగ్ బిఫోర్, మనం నౌన్స్ బిఫోర్ గా యూజ్ చేసే వర్డ్స్ నే ఆర్టికల్స్ అంటాం. ఓకే, సింగులర్ నౌన్ అవ్వచ్చు, ప్లూరల్ నౌన్ అవ్వచ్చు, డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్స్, రైట్? బికాస్ హియర్ two types of articles are there, three examples are there. Definite article, indefinite article. Definite means పర్టిక్యులర్ గా యూజ్ చేసే దాన్ని డెఫినిట్ అంటారు. సో ద ఆర్టికల్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. డెఫినిట్ ఆర్టికల్ వేర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ పర్టిక్యులర్లీ, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డెఫినిట్ ఆర్టికల్. అండ్ ఇండెఫినిట్ మీన్స్ నాట్ పర్టిక్యులర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ పర్టిక్యులర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పర్టిక్యులర్. That is called a and an. These are indefinite, these are definite article, right? Now let me explain you one by one. First a, article a. A is an article which is using before singular nouns. A means one. A means one, right? A book, a pen, that is. A is an article which is using before singular nouns. Singular ante ekvachanam. So we have to use before one thing, right? That is a book, a pen, we have to use like this. A board, a marker, we have to use this, right? Now next one, and. And is an article which is using before singular nouns only. Same, a also singular noun. Singular noun, before singular noun, and also singular before singular noun. Singular noun. But an article we have to use before vowel sounds. The word starting with vowel sounds, right? Here example, an apple, an elephant. Maximum people they think about vowels. The word must start with vowel, but it doesn't mean that, because the word sound should be important. Sound should be vowels. అర్థమవుతుంది కదా మీకు? ఈ వర్డ్స్ మనం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా, పలికేటప్పుడు మనకి వొవెల్ సౌండ్స్ రావాలి. ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ అబౌట్ వొవెల్ సౌండ్, వొవెల్ వర్డ్ తోనే లెటర్ తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలని కాదు. ఏ ఈ ఐ ఓ యు, దీస్ ఆర్ వొవెల్స్, రైట్? ఏ ఈ ఐ ఓ యు, దీస్ ఆర్ వొవెల్స్, రైట్? ఈ వొవెల్స్ అన్నది వొవెల్ సౌండ్ తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలని కాదు. సమ్ టైమ్స్ it may start with vowel letter, sometimes may not start with vowel. Okay, that's not an issue, but vowel sounds are important. Here if we take university, okay, umbrella is there. Umbrella, you can use an umbrella, right? The sound is a, or Hindi a, umbrella, right? Umbrella, that is fine, starting with vowel letter also. But here if I use university, Here you, that means you in Telugu and Hindi, right? This is you, university, sound is you, that means Y sound we are getting. Here start with vowel letter, here also start with vowel letter, but sound is different. Here a sound is vowel sound, so an umbrella is fine, but here it doesn't give vowel sound, so a university or the university I can use. A university means any university, the means particular one university. Understand my point? So Y is a semi vowel. W and Y we can use as semi vowels. Semi vowel means sometimes singular, sometimes plural we can use. Sometimes singular, sometimes plural, depends on situation. We can use Y and W also, semi vowels. These two are semi vowels. Okay, here only. So university we have to use a university or the university. This is a good example for an article. Okay, let me explain you once. A is an article before using singular nouns. An is an article before using singular nouns. Both are singular nouns before only. But a book, a pen, this, right? But here an means the word sound should be vowel sound. The word starting sound should be vowel sound. Then only an we can use. Sometimes the word may start with vowel letter. Sometimes may not starting with vowel letter. A, E, I, O, U. Sorry, sometimes word starts with vowel letter. Apple or umbrella, elephant, sometimes. Sometimes may not start. Right? Sometimes starts also, sometimes may not start. But it should be like this is. One more example here. Our. Here H-O-U-R. H is not vowel sound. Vowel letter. Sorry. H is not vowel letter. But sound is our, not hour. Our. So an hour. Right? Hour means an hour. Because H sound is not there. Hour. That is vowel sound. So hour. An hour. Sometimes may be starting with vowel letter, sometimes may not starting with vowel letter. But pronunciation is important. Sound, vowel sound should be important. Okay, that is this one. Now let me start with the article. The article. The is an article which is using before singular noun and plural noun both. A is an article which is using before singular noun only. An is an article which is using before singular noun only. But the article we have to use before singular and plural both. Singular and plural. Plural noun both. We can use before both. Okay. Now let me explain you some examples. First one, rivers we can use. The Ganga, the Krishna, we can use the Ganga. Second one, oceans. The Bay of Bengal. We can use the Pacific, right? We can use musical instruments. The guitar. The violin we can use. Before, next, directions. The east, the west, the south we can use. Before, religious books we can use. Religious books. The Gita, the Quran, the Bible we can use. Sixth one, parties, political parties. The BJP we can use. Higher cadres. Higher cadres. The CM, the Chief Minister, the PM we can use. Before, old buildings. The Taj Mahal. Like this we can use. Right? The Charminar, the Taj Mahal we can use. Next one. Before, group of countries. Next, group of countries. Should not use before the singular country. India is single country, so should not use the India. Right? Always use before the group of countries. USA, the USA. The UK, we have to use the. But only one and only country, singular country, we have to use the article is the Philippines. Why? Because Philippines is a single country like India. Okay, but we must use the article because it was ruled by one king, Louis Philippe. So that's why government officially declared the Philippines. Okay, always we have to use for one singular country, Philippines, we have to use the article. Right? Next one. Before, mountains. Group of mountains. Not single mountain, group of mountains. Himalayas. The Himalayas. Right? Next one. Deserts. Deserts. The Thar. Right? We have to use the Thar. Right? Next one. Before the deserts also we have to use the Thar. The Sahara. We can use the. Next one. Before higher cadres also done. Next group of countries, group of last and next. Last and next. Who is the last person? The last and the next. We have to use. Right? Next one. Before the unique things. Unique things. Okay, unique things means the earth, the sun, the moon, these are unique things, one thing existing in the world. Next one, superlative degrees. Superlative degrees means degrees of comparison, I will let you know in the next video. Okay, because degrees of comparison means comparison between the people, then you can understand the qualities. Right? Here, before the superlative degrees also, we must use the article. The greatest, the best, we have to use. Right? Next one, before ordinal numbers also. Ordinal numbers. We have to use on the first, second, third. We have to use the article. Right? Next one, epics. Epics means, already we said religious books. Ramayana, Mahabharata. Right? These are epics. Gita, Quran, Bible. These are religious books. The difference is, Gita, Quran, Bible, these are religious books. Mata Grandalu are different. These are old historical books, epics. Ramayana, Mahabharata, these are epics. Okay, next one, last but not the least, particular things. This is very, very important. Particular things means lot of things are there. We are selecting one. We are picking one. That is called. Lot of things are there, we are picking one, that is particular thing. For example, here, okay, here lot of markers are there, okay, which is yours? Which one is yours means the marker which is in your left hand is mine, sir. Lot of markers are there in my right hand, there, here, lot, okay. You are asking me, right, I am asking you which is yours. Means, okay, the marker which is in your left hand is mine, sir. Okay, that is. Here lot of mobiles are there. Which is your mobile? The mobile which is in red color is mine. Okay, lot of students are there. I am asking you, a lot of students are there. I am calling one person. The person who got first rank, call him outside. చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు, అందులో నేను ఒక్కరిని సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. అది the particular which is your chair. So the chair behind you is mine. That is, lot of chairs are there. The chair which is in blue color is mine. That is particular. Okay, this is about the article. In this way we can use the article. Okay, next one, where we should not use articles. Should not use articles before. No article. No article, that is. Should not use any article. First one, before meals. Should not use before meals. Lunch, breakfast, dinner we must not use. We should not use any article. Only lunch. I had my lunch. I had my breakfast. That's it. Second one, right? Second one is materials or metals. Gold, silver, copper. Should not use any article. Only gold. Gold is expensive than silver. We can use. But if you are telling about gold ring, we can use gold ring. Okay? Gold ring we can use. But gold is expensive than silver. Understand my point? That is. Third one, before games. Should not, cricket, volleyball, kabaddi, anything is there. Should not use the cricket or a cricket and cricket, nothing. And fourth one, okay, last but not the least, person name and place name. Person and place should not use any article. Kohli or Modi, anything is there, not a Kohli or the Kohli or anything. Only we have to use Kohli. Should not use a and the. And not the Bangalore, the Hyderabad or anything, only Hyderabad. Right? These type of things we can use. Understand my point? Now this is about articles. Let me explain you once. Article is a word which is using before the nouns. Depends on situation, we have to use before singular and before plural nouns. A and the, three examples are there for definite article and indefinite article. Definite means particular, indefinite means not particular. The article is definite and indefinite means a and an. A is an article which is using before the singular noun. A book, a pen, we know, one. An also, it means one. Right? An elephant, an apple. Right? An is an article which is using before the singular nouns only, but vowel sound should be important. Sometimes the word may start with vowel letter. Sometimes may not starting with vowel letter. A words అనేవి కొన్నిసార్లు vowel sound తో vowel letter తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. vowel letter తో స్టార్ట్ కాకపోవచ్చు. బట్ vowel sound అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. రైట్? ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుంటే an umbrella. An umbrella letter అనేది U తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. So we have to use an because sound also vowel, but university is there. Should not use an because U sound is YOU sound. So U indicates that Y. Y is a semi-vowel. Semi-vowel Y and W. Sometimes semi-vowel means sometimes singular, sometimes plural we can use. Right? Next, the article also I said before the musical instruments, before the rivers, before the oceans, before musical instruments, next before religious books, before epics, before higher cadres, before political parties, before group of countries. Right? Group of countries also, one singular country we must use, that is the Philippines. Right? Before the political parties and before last and next, before superlative degrees. Right? Lot of things I explained you. Now where we should not use articles means before meals, before metals, before games and before the person name. Should not use any article. A article kuda deen mundu use cheyakodu. Breakfast means only breakfast. Only lunch, only dinner. A article use cheyakodu. Next, metals, gold, silver, copper, these are there, only gold. Gold is expensive than silver. If you are using gold ring, we can use the gold ring, no problem. Because ikkada da anedi indicates ring, not gold. Gold ring if you are using, we can use the gold ring. Because, sir, I said particular. Sir, the gold ring which is with you is mine. Understand my point? Lot of gold rings are there. We are asking about particularly one gold ring. Sir, the gold ring which is in your hand is mine. That is our gold ring. That indicates the ring, not gold. Okay, understand my point? This is about articles. Okay? In next session, we will let you know about degrees. I said already, superlative degree, right? In this W, the article. So, I will let you know about the degrees of comparison. In deeply or in briefly in the next session. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.